I'm Sabeeha Merchant from the Department of Chemistry and Biochemistry and the Institute for Genomics and Proteomics at UCLA. And I'm delighted to be here in Madrid at the symposium to tell you about some of our work on the genomics of algae. Algae are important contributors to biomass on the planet and to global primary productivity. And my group is interested both in understanding how they overcome problems of micronutrient availability, especially the trace micronutrients like copper, iron, zinc, and manganese on the one hand, and we also take advantage of comparative genomics to understand mechanisms that operate globally for many algae.